Autonomous maintenance is a pillar in total productive maintenance. In fact, it is the first pillar of total productive maintenance. This pillar advocates giving everything that workers need to assist in keeping machines running. When machine operators have the means to support maintenance with maintenance technicians, it indeed helps increase efficiency and productivity in an organization. So, just what is autonomous maintenance? Autonomous maintenance is an approach that is frequently used to improve maintenance in an organization. It gives machine operators responsibility for basic maintenance tasks rather than relying on dedicated maintenance workers and technicians. One of the benefits is that it gives operators more control and authority over the equipment they use. This in turn allows maintenance personnel to focus on more complex and specialized maintenance work that may require more in-depth expertise. When a company implements autonomous maintenance as part of a total productive maintenance strategy, they also empower people. For example, operators learn how to clean their machine properly on a daily basis. Workers can update their own software and other various tasks that are simple enough. They learn how to look for signs of trouble as they inspect their machines daily, and they also perform daily maintenance tasks, such as lubricating joints, putting air in tires, and running regular maintenance updates where appropriate. This puts workers in a position where they are on the same team as maintenance technicians, and everyone is working together. Now, given that this is only an introduction to autonomous maintenance, we'd like to ask a question so that you can ponder a little more about this new subject of autonomous maintenance. If you performed basic maintenance daily on machines, computers, and other equipment in your place of work, do you think this would help reduce unplanned downtime of machines? We look forward to hearing from you, and we'll see you in the near future.